Hey everybody, Thomas here, and today we are cutting the last log, maybe logs if I square this one up into a cant, but right now this is going to be the last logs that we have up here in Wisconsin and everything, because tomorrow my dad is going to be hauling this sawmill down to our farm down in Tennessee. So what we have on here is a piece of black walnut that has a large crotch. I have that board there, the tall board there, just to give me offset off of the log stops here to allow for the guide bearing to go down the actual length of the sawmill, because that little portion there is protruding past the side of the sawmill there. So let's go and cut this up real quick and go from there. You'll hear the kids in the background because they're playing with mosquito zappers, trying to kill off all these mosquitoes, and they are absolutely atrocious. So yeah, this is a lot of fun. Stay tuned. Okay, so that was just our reference cut to get the flat edge here. We'll flip this over and commence to cutting up this beautiful black walnut. Since I'm touching on this side, I'm going to push it down just a little bit further so I can get that stop to touch it over there as well. It's like pushing a wet noodle. A very heavy wet noodle. There we go. So now she's supported back here, barely. Bring it back a little bit. Now she supported this bunk, and this bunk. 3 support. I can push as hard as I want to. We'll slab from this point all the way down. I won't have to make any other adjustments or anything like that. That's a good thing. Alright, I lied just a little bit. I gotta come back just a smidge more to catch the little bump. There. Now I'm catching on the little itty 3/4 inch tall red bump, 4.5. Now I can push over, leave everything on here, cut all at once. Okay, so that's a pretty quick run through cutting up that wood right there. So we're just a few minutes into this. Let's go ahead and take a few of these boards off here. See what we got, what we're working with here. There's a lot of mosquitoes. A lot of mosquitoes out here, folks. Like, my dad is over here running the mosquito zapper, and he killed about 50 mosquitoes next to me while I was cutting. Beautiful board. These are all cut at 1.5 inches. This one here, not a whole lot of stuff to work with, except for on this side. The back side, as you can see, it's all sapwood. This would be a great one to make, like maybe a centerpiece, something small, dining room table type centerpiece for like Thanksgiving. This piece right here, that's gorgeous. Check out that beautiful figure. That right there could easily be turned into kind of like a narrow coffee table, or even a behind the sofa type table for like one of those IKEA couches, or like a love seat. Imagine that being behind you on the seat. That'd be pretty cool. Put your drinks on there. Ooh and ah. Impress all your friends and family. Another gorgeous piece. And at the end, I might have time, because we're in a short time schedule here, to throw some water on these. If not, I'm kind of showing them right now. Again, beautiful crotch section of black walnut. High-end board. I mean, with all that figure, the hardest part is going to be keeping this thing stable during the drying process, but should be easily achievable. You would think with all this black walnut sawdust in the area, maybe it keeps away mosquitoes, but I can assure you it does not. It most definitely does not. This one should be pretty gorgeous as well. Ta-da, they're all amazing. It's black walnut and crotchwood. Who doesn't think that's amazing? It's the best stuff there is, in my opinion. I can already tell you my wife's not going to let me sell this piece. She's probably going to lay claim to this coffee table piece. Easy, perfect to work with. Hopefully y'all think so as well. And the last two slabs, again, another great piece. This one's unique because it has a little more sapwood going on and just crazy stuff. But the book match pieces, that's pretty, super pretty. And that right there, folks, I'm gonna say it's 23 inches wide. Again, 1.5 inch thickness. Very beautiful. So, survey says 3, 4, 5, 6. We got 6 slabs that we cut up in under 9 minutes. These things right here, once dried, I would sell these somewhere in the neighborhood of 80 to 100 bucks. Possibly, if I'm on a good day, maybe in a good mood or something like that, I might sell them for like less than that, maybe 60 to 75. But gorgeous wood nonetheless. Last log cut up here in Wisconsin. Dad, do you want me to square up or put that one to a cant, or do you care? Either way. Okay. I might cut one more. But hopefully y'all found this interesting. It was a great final log, or logs, because I might cut up this oak one next. Great little pile of wood here. All black walnut, always a crowd pleaser. And we might take this oak cant, or oak log here, turn it into a cant. In fact, I'll throw in a time lapse real quick. We'll go ahead and do that. Lickety split. All right, there you have it. The last log is now cut. This is a red oak log and everything. I just went ahead and turned it sideways like this so you can see it better. We got 102 inches long, and it turned out to be an 11 by 10 and like 7/8. Close enough. I was just trying to get all the actual live edge off. Got a smidge down there, but for the most part, have a nice cant squared off right there. So there you have it. Okay, before we conclude this video, you know what? I probably should show the final products of everything all together so you can get a good look at this. Again, these are roughly around the 5.5 foot length on the tallest side, maybe just shy of 5 foot on the shorter side. Beautiful pieces, 6 of them, all 1.5 inch, very beautiful. All right, please like, subscribe. Again, last 2 logs cut up, black walnut, red oak. Now we're gonna haul the mill down to Tennessee. We'll see you around. See you in the next one.